threw my case out.
I've been waiting for years.
Family members of the rescue.
You don't belong up here.
Pardon me?
You threw my case out.
Let's get out of here.
Why is that?
Because you don't belong there.
Well, I'm going to call for reinforcements then. Send some more cars over here because they're saying they don't like me. You didn't mean that, did you? Huh? Huh?
He's definitely be on bullshit. He threw my case out. Racist as fuck. I got hit as a pedestrian.
Where is it?
White dude. This dude threw it out, bro.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What case?
My case.
Where did it happen?
It happened right off of Johnson Parkway. And I called you specifically and I told you this happened about 2 years ago. I said, man, you say you hit his window. Of course I hit his window. He ran me over. I had a fucking. I'm about to sue you guys.
I didn't throw your case out. That's up to the
Bob
county.
Fletcher.
Yeah, but
Bob Fletcher.
it's up to the
And
county.
you know why
attorney.
you closed my case? Because you fucking retired.
Well, I know who I am. I know who I
I know
am.
who you is, and I just.
I'm not retired.
Racist as fuck.
Looks like we
I
are
know
getting
what I'm
a
talking
visual
about.
I'm sure that's-
Hell yeah, he threw my case out. I'm walking my dog, and I get hit by a white dude, a white pedestrian.
This is medics at 2014
Don't know
Stratford
from nowhere.
Avenue.
He's
24-year-old
a
male
witness. He says this shit. This guy sits there and says, "Oh man," he put on the report. You got up and hit his window. So
It wasn't me.
We couldn't figure nothing out when we do the thing and threw the fucking case out because you wanted to retire.
It wasn't me.
This is like 3 years ago when the pandemic started. This motherfucker know what I'm talking about.
It wasn't me.
And then I do my research. Now this motherfucker's a sheriff.
Yeah.
I've been waiting to run into this motherfucker. He do this shit on the YouTube. Put me on the YouTube. Racist motherfucker. Nigga, I got a lawsuit against you. Nigga, my motherfucking dog got hurt. My motherfucking ACL got torn.
Wasn't
You
me.
threw my fucking case out.
Wasn't me.
Yeah, it was you.
Nope.
Go do some research on that. And I'm going to see you next time. And then you owe me an apology. Like, yeah, I did.
What's your name?
Just listen. I don't got to give you my name.
How am I gonna figure out? How am I gonna do research?
Listen, when you pull up that case, you're gonna know. It ain't too many cases that happen right there. When I go downtown and I gotta look up that file, I have to give you the street.
Yeah, but I don't write reports. I don't write reports. These guys
No,
write reports.
you were over the case. You threw it out because you wanted to retire.
No, I didn't. I didn't retire. Obviously, I didn't retire.
Yeah, the fuck you did. You went from St. Paul to fucking sheriff.
Yeah.
So you when my case happened, you was with St. Paul.
Really?
You were retired from St. Paul.
I retired
and you
in
became
there
a
in
fucking sheriff.
2013. So it couldn't have been 2 years ago.
So you know what I'm gonna do? Because
Yeah.
I'm a man of my word.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go down there on Monday.
Yeah.
I'm gonna find you.
Come to see me.
I'm gonna come see you and I'm gonna show you this shit.
I
You
would
gonna
like
owe
to
me
see
an
it
apology
because
it ain't no way in hell. And I never forget. I told you just like this. I got on the phone with you. I said, "Hey man, the pedestrian's always right." You said the pedestrian's never right. You're racist as fuck, bro. I got hit with a fucking dog walking my kids, and you threw that shit.
Wasn't
out.
me.
It was
I'm
you.
not saying that you're wrong.
Wasn't me.
He had not retired. He's been at the sheriff's office.
No, so he was before he was sheriff. He was with St. Paul.
Yeah, but 2013 I retired there.
That's my only business.
Possible that you saw my name on a document, but I didn't write it.
I threw my shit out. I've been waiting to run into you for years, bro. My ACL is jittery. I naturally let this shit heal. I've been waiting to run into you for years.
Well, you know what?
I've been watching your YouTube videos. That's some bullshit.
You got the wrong guy.
I don't.
Well,
But
get-
listen, when I go down there, it says it was Bob Fletcher over the fucking case.
No.
I know what I'm talking about, bro. It's a lack of knowledge. I would have sued the fuck out of y'all. You said what?
You think it could have been 10 years ago?
What county attorney? John
What
Troy?
was that?
He's one of the
Listen,
judges.
did you hear what I said? Just listen and stop being an asshole. I said
Oh, that isn't very
I
nice.
said lack of knowledge. If I didn't have the lack of knowledge, I would have sued the fuck out of him. What the fuck are you talking about?
Well,
County
if I
attorney?
took him
Shut the
about
fuck up and
that,
listen. And I said if I didn't have lack of knowledge, I would have sued him. Shut the fuck up. You telling me about? No, I'm free to have the freedom of speech. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Here's the thing.
Conduct, $50. Shut the fuck up. It's a freedom of speech. This motherfucker threw my case out, and I got the right to tell him about himself. He wanna act like he's
Well,
giving justice.
I know
You're
what
not
you're
giving
talking
shit,
about.
bro.
You've already told me now.
Racist as
Oh, you
fuck.
already told me.
And I'm gonna stand on that. And I told you, I'm gonna pull
You're
up
the
to
only
your office.
person I know that thinks I'm racist, right
No,
there.
hell
That's
no.
the only person I know. But I'm just, you know what?
My dad was racist, so you gotta be.
My
now,
mom and
for them,
dad?
they might be.
What,
It
how-
might be a
did you
little
know-
more. Oh, they not with it.
did
but
you
they
know
still
my
got
mom?
it in them. But
Did you know my
you're
mom?
Pure. You're pure.
Did you know my mom and dad?
Nah, I know your mom and dad didn't like black people.
How do you know that?
Like 70 years old. You think slavery was that long ago? Shut the fuck up. What y'all talking about? Let's be honest,
just
bro.
like you, I can talk as much as I
We're
want.
having a real conversation. We're not gonna be biased. We're not gonna be. You can go home. You can go home. We're having a conversation. I don't know.
Absolutely.
This early?
Yeah, it's over with. Go home. Everybody go home.
Bro, you know I've been waiting for this. I got hit with walking my dog. This motherfucker threw my case out, boy.
And you know
I'm
you
down there
remember a
trying to,
cop.
I gotta pay for these files, bro. I gotta pay to get these files,
You
bro.
remember a cop.
I don't. You know that, bro. I don't forget shit, bro.
I'm getting in my car with my drink on.
Put me on your YouTube.
Wasn't me.
Put me on your YouTube.
Wasn't
so
me.
you can remember my face.
Do what you want.
Are we going home now or what? Do I gotta go talk to the manager about him attending Foundry, or what am I doing?
Who? Oh, school. About who attending?
You, because you
Go talk to
you
him.
don't reflect well on his.
So what do me telling you about my case got to do with the Foundry?
You told me 12 times you've used a lot
What
of
do
swear
that have
words.
to do with the Foundry? So go tell him.
What, are you?
So if you think you got so white privilege, go in there and tell him you need to ban me from the Foundry. So since you're so much white
I
privilege,
tell you what does
go
that
do
got to do with white
Because
privilege?
What the fuck do the Foundry got to do with me talking to you about my case?
Well, you're not
You
just
said-
talking. You're
I'm talking
creating a
to you about-
disturbance.
I'm talking to you about
You're
my case.
creating it.
I'm
What are
talking
you
to
saying
about
about
my
your
case.
case? You haven't said one fucking thing about your case
Yes, I
that
did.
made any sense. You made
How come I
no
did? You
sense
threw it out.
because I didn't write the case.
So when
I didn't
come
throw it
to
out.
you on Monday,
You
you're
didn't
gonna
make
give me an
one
apology.
fucking bit of sense.
gonna see, Bob.
You are not. You are. That made
gonna see,
zero
Bob.
sense.
We're gonna see, Bob.
Perfect.
We're gonna see.
Well, go prove it.
I'm gonna prove it.
Go
I'm gonna
prove
pull
it.
up on your ass.
Go
and
prove it.
You pull that YouTube camera out when we do it.
I'll do that. I'll do that.
Embarrass your ass.
You've made no fucking sense
We're gonna
tonight.
see, Bob.
Okay.
We'll see, Bob.
I'm looking forward to seeing it.
All right, Bob.
Why would you have all these parties put up?
No, y'all go.
Because of you. Because you said get out of
Because
here.
I'm a grown ass man. I
But
got rights.
see what he said? You a fucking racist.
Because you told me to get out of the parking lot?
Get the fuck on. You had all these police pull up. You're doing too much.
But we like hanging out with you. We like hanging out with you.
Can I get
There's
some?
nothing else going on.
Can I
No,
get
because
some?
you're supposed to
Take him home, man.
That's a good thing though, right? You're driving
You're
out.
doing all type of shit. You're not protecting and serving.
Oh, yeah. We're not out here for that. I can't put my number.
You're not no fucking.
We're out here to prevent the next one.
Fuck is you talking about? You're not out here.
It's good to be bored though. That means crime is down. So
I
we go all
told
up
bro,
here, hanging out
I
with
told
I think
Island is like juvenile.
That is the first time I've seen you laugh and smile. I'm glad I could get that out. I'm glad I could get that out of you.
A very good personality, but I've been waiting to see this dude for over 4 years. I needed to get that shit off my chest. And listen, he's gonna remember me because I'm gonna come down there because we just had this. He's gonna know, and then he's gonna know my name. I don't want to say my name right now, so you could just look my name up and all that shit. But I got a famous name, and you will never forget it.
He will entertain that.
And he's gonna know that. And remember, I told you I got a famous name, and you will never
Hey,
forget it.
let's use a code name. So when you come down, what code name should you use?
What you mean?
Well, like so the desk people will know that they call up and they'll say, James Jones is here. Give me one. Give me a code name. Give me a code name.
James Bond.
James Bond.
That's a good one.
James Bond.
That
There
is
we
a
go.
good one.
There we go.
Nah, but all bullshit aside,
Yeah.
Big Willie. When you see me, and you gonna get my last name. If me saying Big Willie, that should be enough to say what my name is.
Find the report.
Big Willie or James Bond? I'm gonna have
It's
to go
gonna
with
be
James
Big Willie,
Bond.
and you're gonna see me, and I'm gonna come down there. And if I'm wrong about that report, because I'm gonna go pay and get the report, I owe you an apology, bro.
Well, I could look it up for free.
So look it up for free.
St. Paul or was
You
it
gotta
St.
stop
It was
doing
in St.
that.
Paul's. I just
All
told
that
you that.
police said shit you be on.
He's the police.
He is the police, but you gotta stop that, Bob.
Stop stopping into the Foundry?
No, you don't like niggas.
Oh, geez. Don't use the N-word around me. I don't like the N-word.
I'm black.
hold
Well,
on.
it doesn't matter. It's
What
inappropriate.
N-word don't you like? Nigga or Negroes?
Or nigger.
Either one is.
What the fuck? Listen, your people told us we was black, we was Africans, we was colored. What the fuck is we then? Because we not black. You never seen not one black person. Make it make sense. We don't call you Europeans.
All right.
We don't call you guys Europeans. But guess what? That's another subject. We ain't gonna do that tonight. I got you. We ain't gonna do that tonight.
Coming out Monday though.
I'm coming. I'll be there Monday for sure. Not Monday, Tuesday. I
I'm
got
gonna
one
do
man.
it.
You drunk,
Not my
eh?
name.
Yeah.
I'll be down there too.
Hey, I had a question.
Yeah.
Okay, so, well, I had a little case, but I'm a little way away from being.
Tell those women.
Too much.
Tell those women will come over here. Tell the women.
Ladies, hoes,
Right behind her, right there.
bitches.
Hey, women.
Parking lot across Larkiter who he was like he was caught in the act of something. They did not elaborate. It happened about 6 minutes
Thank
ago.
you for being
Male,
normal.
30 to 45 years old.
Give her one too.
But I wanted to ask you a question. Since you're the one that signs it, I'm an upstanding citizen. I'm almost gonna be one of you guys, but since my nephew did like with a check, so I just took the little arrest and I went through it. I'm in the diversion plan,
Yeah.
and so I'm almost off. But my gun, my license is like it's trying to be renewed,
Yep.
and I'm not even supposed to like whatever the check thing was. I can't see a gun, touch a gun, be that one, or
Right, right,
anything.
right, right.
So I'm not supposed to renew it.
No.
Yeah, I'm like, oh my
You're
god.
almost done, right?
Yeah, it's like I work in healthcare and daycare. Like, is man.
You're almost there.
Well, that was an unusual Foundry experience, huh?
I feel like I know that. I feel like it's not the first time.
170 Tango.
We have normal, nice people here at the Foundry. Well, you got all the YouTube exposure you wanted.
We need an area check for a possibly impaired driver in the area of Randolph and Albert Street South. Westbound on Randolph in the wrong lane. Driving at 12 miles per hour.
It says John Toy's name on it.
The red Explorer vehicle Minnesota Papa,
does.
Mike, November 239. Approaching Fairview.
Also, it's an accident. In which case you got
Driving around. Maybe a 2014 Ford Explorer registered to 1965 Princeton.
The big thing is that report.
That is very true. That is very true. I've gotten a lot of
Also,
wearing all black, hovering around my traffic stop, yelling at
There's an accident. There's not going to be
myself.
reported central either. It's a business card.
And honestly, if you can write
And now he's about maybe 50 feet away from me, just staring at the traffic stop.
Well, it's in a Word document somewhere. Computer. Oh, well, you got good officers.
Yeah, there's
that
other-
write those reports. Keep that little off the page. No, that was hurtful. That was hurtful.
Missed the first half because they had all the cones there, and then I come through and some guy just keeps zigzagging in front of me. I'm like, get out of my
All right, well, should probably just probably take a swing by the horn, huh? See who's left here.
I'm sure that's where they're all going.
All right, thanks, guys. Well, after that, I'll send it to Pat. Well, that wasn't a very pleasant encounter. Never met that guy before, but apparently he thinks I dismissed a case, which I don't have the authority to dismiss
No kings
cases.
in the parking lot. Crown on the dash, lights high. Bob's camera rolling, ego shot. Big Willie saying you retired and forgot. ACL torn, he still stood
have
tall.
never been
Dog limping
handling
beside
those
him, justice
kind
on
of
call.
cases anyway.
You said the pedestrians never right.
I'm guessing some document there's sheriff's
One man's pain versus man's made.
stuff on it. But I hope he looks it up. I hope he comes down. That'd be great. If for some reason I was involved in his case, I would like to know.
Said you threw my case out. Braces is full.
But we don't get to drop cases.
Claim it's tactical.
County
Call it a
attorney.
train to
170
tow. But the mask slipped fast
But-
with the camera phone. You don't belong up here. That's the quote. Didn't get to know
He
me.
said it was during the
The cops no
pandemic,
longer following the vehicle after
and I was with St. Paul, which I wasn't with St. Paul during the pandemic. I was back here in 2019. Pandemic came in 2020.
You can't edit pain from a
You heard me push back at the end, and frankly, sometimes you just need to finally push back because they don't listen and you just listen. And after I started pushing back and telling me it didn't make any sense whatsoever,
Keep talking. We hear you.
that actually helped the conversation. So he said, I'm going to get the information and bring it to you.
Camera glare caught every scar and tone, and for once, Bob's silence wasn't stone. Said my dad
It's all
was
tactical
racist.
swearing,
Tried to
by the way,
explain,
folks.
but the mic picked up more
And
than
we
his
allow our
pain.
officers to use tactical swearing.
Been marching this whole time. No.
To either make a point, demonstrate some assertiveness, communicate at a level of So I wasn't really upset with the guy. Had plenty of backup there, but it was just time to try a different tactic. Listening to him did not seem to work that well.
You threw my case out.
All of you know me. By the way, my parents were never racist either.
No kings in the parking lot. Crown on the dash, lights high. Bob's camera rolling, ego shot. Big Willie saying you retired and forgot. ACL torn, he still stood tall. Dog living beside him, justice on call. You said the pedestrian's never right. Now he's preaching that back under yellow light. No kings tonight. One man's pain versus badge made might.
No kings in the parking lot. We the people, that's all we got. St. Paul rain, truth don't rot. Tell the sheriff your crown's been caught.
Tactical swearing won't clean that spot.
No cleans in the court.
He said you threw my case out. Racist as fuck, pause for the cut. Mike hot, Bob blushing, trying not to erupt. Claimed it's tactical, called a training tone. But the man slipped fast once the camera phone. You don't belong up here, that's the quote. Didn't get to know me to steady the boat. But the crowd saw cracks in the holy facade when the man from Johnson Parkway called him out to God. Justice on.
Justice on the blacktop.
Voices rise.
Can't make them stop. No kings in the parking lot.
You can't edit pain from a live stream clip. It's truth in motion, a viral script up.
No kings in the parking lot. Protest signs where halos drop. Bob said tactical, crowd said plot. A badge don't make you what you're not.
Big Willie, keep talking, we hear you. Yeah, he said I've been waiting 4 years, bro. Got the file, got the limp, got the proof to show. Camera glare caught every scar and tone, and for once, Bob's silence wasn't stone. Said my dad was racist, then tried to explain, but the mic picked up more than his pain. You can't spin grace when the people rewind, cause no king's been marching this whole time.
No kings in the parking lot. Faith and fire, both red hot. St. Paul nights don't fade or flop. Truth shows up when the camera stop.
No kings tonight.
No kings tonight.